What's up, everybody? It's your girl here. How you living? How you living? I am here to share with you, of course, Happy Mail. This is book mail. This is from one of my favorite authors, Autumn Kaufer. This is her new book, a Cinderella retelling. Anyway, I've already got my PR box, but this is a special edition book, and I wanted to show it to you guys. Go check it out. I will try to link her down below if I don't forget. Y'all know I do. You know I do. I want to thank everybody for being here. All of you coming back and any new ones. Welcome. I'm glad you're here. If you haven't, subscribe down below. Click that bell so you can get updated from videos coming up, and let's get into this. So, I've covered the address because, they're people nosy, and I ain't trying to play that game. So let's open this box. She always wraps them so nicely. That out of the way. So here's what it looks like. She does an amazing job at wrapping her books and presenting things in such an amazing way. So I'm going to take this off because I'm keeping this. That is going to go into one of my journals, so you can see that. Is it going to... There we go. That's so pretty. My auto focus does not want to work today. Ooh, some stickers. Let's take these out and show them to you. I'm saving these. I need to start a book journal, and then I'm going to take all of my stickers and put them in that book. And then, what is this? Ooh, bookmark. Such a pretty bookmark. Love that. Peppermint tea, of course. Love it. A little wand. And then, ooh, nice. So we got this, and it's a little invitation to a wedding. No, birthday. I've got wedding on the brain. I'm excited. So that's cool. And then her fan art. Look how beautiful that is. Nice. All right, so let's open this book so you can see how awesome this looks. I know we don't like crinkling, but hey, is what it is. We'll get past it. Oh my gosh. Look at the edging. Come on. How gorgeous. A light blue. And let's see the book too. Check it out. That's under the dust jacket. So cool. And of course, it is signed by Autumn. Love that. There's the back. So I'm already reading this. I'm almost done with it. I've had so much going on, and that will go into a different video. But this one here, I wanted to do separate. So I'll upload a video of my life and things. But anyway, here's the book. Cinder of Lies. Oh, Court of Lies and Cinder. I got Cinder on the brain. So there's the book, y'all. Go check this out. She has another one out that come out before this, and it's Kingdom of Forgotten Curses. It is a Beauty and the Beast retelling with a twist. Same with this one. This is Cinderella with a twist. Absolutely amazing books. So guys, go check her out. I'll leave a link below. This book is fantastic already. Like I said, I'm almost done with it. I can't wait to finish it and start her other one that will be coming out at some point. I'm not telling. I'm not telling at all. So don't ask. Ain't happening. Anyway, thank you guys for being here. Checking this out. Go check out Autumn's books. You can get it on Kindle Unlimited, I think for free or 99 cents. I don't hold me to that because I'm usually wrong, but check them out. I'll put the link down below. Thank you guys. Have a great day.